Hey, let me hear that whole Jeff.
I get the bands, count the blue cheese, I do that shit for fun. For every meal, I pop a pill, I do that shit till I'm dumb. I had your girl, she on my crib, that was a one-on-one. Smoking a bag full of that gas, almost lost my lung. I don't smoke trash, need a gas mask, this sure smell like skunk. 1600, got a couple ops in the city, and they all gon' hunt. The F-57 all on my waist, no need for me to pop the trunk. You keep trying to make me one cup, but you keep playing my love. You should enjoy your whole day, cause I am good, my love. How you keep trying to make me fuck, but you need me one subs. Both of my pockets, they stuff. Bank account trying to erupt. I can never go bankrupt. I put your bitch in the tub, yeah. I don't believe in good luck. Knock if you buck, make her nut. She never saw on my house. Hit it 12 times in my own Bentley truck, yeah. I just get all the drugs, yeah. Sometimes I check on my plug, yeah. I get money with some crips, yeah. I get money with some bloods, yeah. But you don't know, you ain't never seen my other side. Complexion that's from my mother's side. Don't got the ways of my brother's side. I will give you just everything. You don't have to just take some of mine. Rockin' from my from the summer line. And you know it is the winter time. I get the bands, count the blue cheese, I do that shit for fun. For every meal, I pop a pill, I do that shit till I'm dumb. I had your girl, she on my crib, that was a one-on-one. I'm smoking a bag full of that gas, almost lost my lung. I don't smoke trash, need a gas mask, this sure smell like skunk. 1600, got a couple ops in the city, and they all gon' hunt. The F-57 all on my waist, no need for me to pop the trunk. You keep trying to make me one cup, but you keep playing my love. You keep trying to make me one cup, but you keep playing my love. You keep trying to make me cup, but you keep playing my love. I don't need cut my jeans, why would I make a dot on my queen? She wanna fuck my team, I blow that bitch to smithereens. I said fuck your team, we pull up just like the Marine. Nigga don't want no beef, I ain't never eat no Jimmy Dean. As far as I go, by beans, she sniff coke, that little bitch a fiend. Yeah, she knock out money, not crack cars, but she know not read. Y'all niggas, y'all too funny. Jim carry me, myself, not read. I might start selling trees. Just the way
Run that back, turbo.
Playmakers.
Okay. Out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get slithered. Hey, we ain't got ties, you ain't gon' ride. You ain't my slime, you ain't my slime. Young gun, I'm my prime. Hey, so I think I ain't telling you lies. When you come to business, I'm handling mine. Yeah, I'm king face, spending my time. Hey,
Yo.
He was like Gucci my pants. She used to dip with no hand. I done spent the rest of my fame. Space my own land. Fur got bands. Another pan of red. Drink to the head. Got 2 cell phones. Yeah, I'm sipping these meds. 2-tone present Rolex. Yeah, this drippy can't catch. Simon say do what I said. Cuban link choke my neck. Why I say Uber DJ? Pull him his VVS. Out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get slithered. Hey, we ain't got ties, you ain't gon' ride. You ain't my slime, you ain't my slime. Young gun, I'm my prime. Hey, so I think I ain't telling you lies. When you come to business, I'm handling mine. Yeah, I'm king face, patting my time.
Paddocks on paddocks on paddocks on paddocks. Oh, okay. Ran up a check and I'm fucking baddest. Okay. Drop out the coupe and don't leave me no daddy. Okay. RIP, you having heat like my daddy. Okay. I got some VVS's on my neck and my ears, they real, dawg. Okay. I done stay down and I run out the money, I got me a M now. SLI give me a slime. I say that shit every time. I got some rickety rackets, running through bitches like Backpage. Okay. I'm going #1 this year. Right on that bitch, I'm in 6th gear. I'm a little giant, got no fear. Do all my dirt when it's raining. Wash away all the evidence. I got some chains in 18 days. Ride a rave like it's raining. I route your bitch, you the vintage. Talk about the bando relentless. I triple double with the rent, yeah. Put a Draco in my trench, yeah. I rob your hoe for the link, yeah. I triple doubles a year, yeah. I put a coupe on my bill, yeah. My business shit a whole meal. I did this shit with no deal. Dropped out of school by the building. I killed a cooch on the ceiling. Pop a Bugatti out the deal. I got on white, I can't kneel. Pour out the paint, watch it spill. Yeah, my lawyer Brian Stell. Yeah.
Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Man at the coop, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches.
Weezy out of here.
What up, what up, what up? Good morning, guys.
Rose gold seat,
Had to
fucking
grab a
hella
coffee.
color, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't
Apex.
play with you for nothing. I
Bro.
can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga, shit, I bought my daddy a new paddock. Got a model, got a thicky, got a BM, got a stallion, got a $1 billion corporation, fuck us, Annie. I got millions to go get in a couple bitches to, yeah. You my dog,
Yo, what if I just played music the whole stream? And never switched the other overlay. Imagine. What up, yo? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Imagine. Imagine. Good morning, guys. What's up? What up, what up, what up? Time for some trading. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The line at Tim Hortons today was not bad at all. I walked in there at like maybe 6:35. Got home at like 6:41. So there was no line. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Every time I open up the charts here, I have a different color from my perspective because my monitor is set to like this different color display for Apex. So my cam's like orange. I'm like, am I colorblind or what? And I realized, oh, it's my monitor. It's on a different black equalizer. Cool, cool. All right. Good morning, yo. Good morning, chat. What's going on? Welcome back. Why is the light so bright today? Give me a second. I turn this down a little bit. Focus. That's fine. Alrighty, let's see. You have a lot of potential today. I see you, Gold. You have 6 minutes left for a closure below the Ranger. All right. Let me do the rapid analysis real quick. Okay, so let's check the news out real quick. So, let me just do a quick little analysis. We have 6 minutes left. I'm pretty sure I can get GJ and Gold down by then. But let me do a quick analysis, and then I think we may get a position at 7 today again. So again, no time to breathe. Just get more and done, and then it's a trade. All right. So, chat. Let's take a look at news today. You have today CB consumer confidence, which means that, you know, it's at 10 a.m. I don't know if we'll be trading by then. Let's see. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. But let's see. Most likely not after 10, to be honest. But let's see. You have that today, and then I think that's it. You have Richmond Manufacturing Index and new home sales all at 10 a.m. So you have nothing till 10 a.m., which sounds to me like a perfect day. So let's take a look at GJ and Gold real quick. Let's do Gold first because, you know, Gold's our best friend. Oh wait, that was GJ? Ah, that was GJ? I thought this was Gold the whole time when I was looking at. Oh no, I'm not excited anymore. Never mind. Well, Gold doesn't look too bad. Damn, that's tough. All right. Anyways, I got faked out. All right. We can do Gold first. So starting off here, we have Gold for the weekly. As you can see, the weekly candle, I believe last week on Gold. Let me just send the Zoom link. Fuck, I forgot. Give me a second. Why are you guys laughing? What'd I do? All right. Already. But news means volume. I hate volume. I want every day to range. I hate volume so much. I wish you ranged in a 10-pip range every day. Trevor, that one time we're in that trade and I was like, hold on, don't move yet. I need to make a video for Instagram. And then gold, I think that trade hit TV, but did it hit TV or did it hit stops? I think it hit break even or something, but that's funny. All right. So for the weekly here, you have GJ. GJ for the weekly or gold, sorry, has closed bullish, but it closed bullish respecting this resistance here. So you can say this is a range you're in right now from basically 1730 to current price, which is 1700. So that's a 30-pip range going, or sorry, 300-pip range that we're in right now on a weekly time frame. All right, so keep that in mind. Overall, we're still like the overall trend is still bearish, but you can see the weekly is still bullish, but it's at an indecision level. It doesn't know what it wants to do yet. It didn't close above, didn't close below, it closed right at resistance. So you need this candle this week. This week's candle is going to determine the direction for next week, because if you close bearish below the range, next week pretty easy, come down. If you close bullish above, then it's simple. Next week we may come up to create resistance somewhere, maybe up here instead, right? So keep that in the back of your mind if you're looking at gold for the weekly. Coming down to the daily, I believe they closed bearish yesterday. It closed bearish back into this range here, so you can say this is a range one kind of fake out. I wouldn't say really a fake out just yet, because there's a resistance here, and if price were to close below here, then you can say it's a fake out. But since price didn't close below, it closed right here, you can just say it closed bearish back into the range kinda. So I would say as long as you respect the previous kind of high today, which is this high right here, price can come down towards next support, which is going to be minor support at 1710, and then you're looking at 1700 next, or maybe 1696 next. But overall, that's what I'm looking for on the daily. So if I'm looking for positions today, I believe the forward candle is breaking the lows here. That's great. You'd love to see it. But I believe sells me would be below here. Below here. I think that's when the daily candle, yeah, the daily candle break the lows at that point. But sells would be below 1711. That's not too bad. I guess where we're at right now isn't too bad as well. Let's see here. You have a resistance here. Yeah, I marked my levels kind of off there just now. You have a resistance here, and then you have support right here. So you can see this is a range you're in right now. You're in that range. So if you break below, you can probably drive down towards the next support, which is down here. Maybe even down here, or even down here. Let's see. I mean, this 1 hour candle is unclosed bearish here, has a potential wick to fill, but I believe it has to close below support here to the left at 1718. Let's see. You have about 29 seconds. If you close below there, you have potential here, because this next candle likely could come down for the rest of the range here, which is going to be around a 24-pip range. But I just need a top wick first. I believe the next candle opens out, creates a top wick, tapping like 720. We can get sales coming down right at 7 a.m. here. So yeah, we have potential here, chat. We have potential. I lie. I take it back. We do have potential here on gold too, so it's not too bad. I believe GJ though. Actually, I can't get the GJ right now. I'm looking at gold here. Yeah, we may get gold here, chat. So okay, so we have gold. We have a closure below. Definitely clean. I just believe you need a top wick here. If you get a top wick, tapping like 1719, 1719, 650. I'll place a sell stop on the break that's kind of low, or the flip is kind of low, coming down towards the next target. I think the previous 1 hour stop loss is going to be around 23 pips, and the TP is going to be around 25 ish, or maybe even runners coming down towards yeah, like maybe even towards like 1713 today. All right, not bad. Just need a top wick. Yeah, we may get runners to the chat. I'm looking at maybe 1713, 1711 ish levels ish. This is move as resistance here. It's kind of relevant right now. Or you can have both there, I guess. That's fine. I guess that's fine. So will we get sell stops here at 7 a.m.? Let's see. No sell stops for me just yet. Waiting for a wick. I'll let you guys know exactly when and where I'll place the sell stop, but it's most likely going to be in a break of current candle lows once you create a steeper top wick. What's this depressing music? Good afternoon. What's going on? What up? What up, King? Guys, I didn't do a GJ analysis yet, but we're waiting for gold here. I mean, top wicks levels, like you're looking. The reason why I'm saying this level is just because that's kind of where price created top wicks at. Once every time it kind of rejected here, or every time it kind of close below here, it kind of came out to top like 17, 19ish levels. So that's what I kind of want here. Even though previous kind of stops isn't too bad. I don't know. Just bet maybe a little steeper, just a bit. I don't got sell stops just yet. If it drives here, it drives here. I can care less. But I want to see minimum like 17, 19 here, 17, even like 17, 19, 120. You know, at least if you come in to re-break the highs, I'll place a sell stop and a breakout lows. But yeah, right now no sell stops. If you guys have sell stops, good luck. Hope it works out for you. At the same time, hope it works out for me too. So yeah, if you guys are in, good luck. I'm gonna wait for a steeper top wick here. While I wait for a steeper top wick, let me know if this thing flips again. All right, or let me know if it re-breaks the highs. I'm gonna be doing a GJ analysis here real quick. So GJ for the weekly has created a nice top wick. It looks like it's about to flip here, so I believe once it flips bearish, there's a high chance the weekly on GJ will likely drive down towards the next support, which is at 162, maybe even like 160, 900, 161ish level. So you can say this is the weekly candle once you do flip bearish off the weekly on GJ. Did you just flip? But yeah, I'm talking about if it re-breaks the highs, because I can't get in here. I don't have sell stops. I'm talking about if it re-breaks the highs, let me know, because I can switch back to gold. Not if it drives down, because we all know it's gonna drive down here. Yeah, so the weekly is over bearish on GJ. I believe the daily today is bullish though. However, you can say closed above this range here, right? You close above. Price creating a bottom wick now. I believe once it flips bullish, as long as it respects the previous kind of low, this thing should likely drive up towards next resistance at 166,500 here, pretty nicely. I think that wick to fill is very small, but it's a 50 bit range going up. Overall, the range going up here is 167 pips for a day, so pretty bullish today. The only way I see us having buys here is off of the 4-hour candle. I said if this 4-hour candle flips bullish, there's a higher chance that since you're respecting the support overall and you never close below, you can flip bullish and drive up to retest the highs, or 2 small time from entries, which is going to be probably above I'll say above here. These would be some nice entries there, above 164 400ish levels. You close back into the range there above there, there's a higher chance it will drive up towards the next resistance, which is going to be up here at these levels to the left here. They flip back, lovely. So yeah, so I'll say there's the next resistance here. So if I'm looking for GJ bias today, it'll be above this resistance to the left hand side over here. All right, other than that, chat, that's the GJ. Sorry, I rushed that, but I'm looking at gold here. So we're gonna have sell stops now on the break these lows here at 1718.192. Patience paid off. Sell stops on the break of low. Stop loss is gonna be the first kind of high. TP is gonna be down at like 1713, I'll say. All right. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna kind of do. That's what I kind of have right now on gold here. Not kind of have. That's what I have. 1718.169. And if it breaks the previous 1 hour high, then peace out. No sell stop. Small stops too. You know, this looks too good to be true to have a stop loss of actually 27 pips. That's not too bad. That's like average for our stops. That's about average. I'll do a little lower. Where's that level at? This is 1718. How far is this? 1 hour. 17. Yeah, I'll do 18. I got a sense to him. Nice topic. I think that's where we wanted, right? I did say like 17. I think I said 1719-ish levels, right? So 1719 500. So yeah, look left there. Like you see all these wicks here, rejection, rejection, rejection. So anywhere there is perfectly fine for top wicks. And now that it's the first 7 minutes of this 1 hour candle, we create a nice top wick. This thing reflex bearish, breaks the lows. Peace out. We'll be in some great positions. It's coming down towards TPS 1713, maybe 1716. But ideally 1713. Yeah, let you guys know exactly what I do. As for break-even point, BE point will be right here, left hand side, minor support to the left, around here, right? So at that point I'm break-even. And I think I'll close half today, chat. I think I'll just close half honestly at the anywhere below here, like 14 17 pips around this range here, because you have a support right here at 1616. So at that point we want to be risk free on gold. So Blueberry, my sell size on Blueberry markets is 1718.12 on Blueberry. 1718.12. Which will be current kind of high. Well, my stop support is kind of high, but you can use current kind of high. It's a bit more aggressive, but it still makes sense. It still makes logical sense. How do I have this level marked here? I think I should move it up to here. That's where I wanted. That makes more sense. I don't like the fact that I have 2 lines here, but I mean, it's just kind of annoying to look at. Yeah, that's fine. We don't need that extra line there. It's back in the range anyways. If anything, it makes it more clear. I mean, you can base off a trade off the fake out back into the range, or you can base it off like a breakout below his range here to the left. This support here. But this trade here is you can say, I'll say it's more of you can say a fake out. You can say a fake out slash breakout. I'll put more towards a breakout, since it's not really, a fake out would have been up here, right? I'll say more of a breakout. So this trade here right here, chat, is going to be copy link, boom, 710 726 2022 gold sells, breakout off of the current higher low using the 1 hour fall. Yeah, so this trade here is a pretty high probability trade. Breakout, current higher low, 1 hour. Breakout overall is 80%. Current higher low is 85, and 1 hour time frame is 83. Put that together in a 1 hour breakout, current higher low, it's a 9% winning trade off the 1 hour here. So off our stats, that's what it shows, and we're about to get activated here. 1718.12 is my sell stop, so about to be activated, just about now activated. Nice. So sell stops have been activated, and I'm back to Vegas. Sell stops here activated here on the break of the current higher low, or current low of the candle. Stop loss is the first kind of high for 30 pips or 28 pips. TP is down here for around 47 pips, and this is a trade. Once price, I'll say once price comes down to 1717, I'll move my stops to break even as for managing risk. In a losing situation, how I manage risk is I wait for price to close there. So you have a resistance at 1720. If the 1 hour candle decides to close, if the 30 minute candle decides to close above, I'll close half. If the 1 hour decides to close above that resistance, I'll close full. But that's how I manage risk here in this scenario. Capiche, capiche. Yeah, this is a trade and some DD of 5 pips. Could be 10, could be more. But yeah, chat, this is a trade. 1 hour breakout, current higher low, 9%. I think I took the same trade yesterday, if I'm not wrong. No, never mind. That was the starter play. Current higher low breakout. We took that trade on Thursday, last Thursday, and then we took the same trade on Wednesday on GJ, and then the same trade on Tuesday on gold. Yeah, I took a trade a lot this month. But yeah, activated. Closing partials. I mentioned already. I was gonna say anywhere below here I'll close partials. I'll let you guys know. Probably once like around like the 14 pip mark, I'll say. Anywhere here, like 11, 12, 13, 14, like anywhere here before 17, 16, because 17, 16 is a pretty heavy support. So at 17, 16 is when I like to just be break even or closing partials by then. Pretty decent support there. But over at TP is 17, 13 with the hour. You can say the daily time frame, because if we drive down here, chat, right, if this thing drives down here, if you're anticipating the 1 hour candle to drive down here towards next support, look left where do you have clean traffic until you're my friend are gonna have clean traffic till 716. So if you go on 716 on a daily time frame, what's gonna happen? 716 is the daily breakout lows, and if the daily shows that you're bearish today, you re-break the lows, there's a high chance you fill the wick at 1714, 713 levels, and that's why my target is down there. It's kind of matching with the daily analysis today. We weren't runners obviously, but I mean, let's see. This runner is a bit smaller than Yes's runner, I'll say, but you can't really control that. It's another day. Another market condition that we gotta adapt to, adjust to. I'm not activated. Well, it's up to your broker. You don't have to be activated the same price as me, but I was activated. I'm pretty sure a lot of chat was activated as well. Pretty sure. Current count stops are a bit smaller. I think current count stops we're gonna be like 13 pips, but I'm putting my trust to the previous 1 hour low, 1 hour high here, because yesterday's thing happened. We broke the 1 hour high and then we respected the previous 1 hour high, and it came down. I'd rather take bigger stops that are most logical than more aggressive that's less logical. The only way I'll take the stop here is if maybe we had a bigger stop and we couldn't even use the previous kind of stop. Then I'll take my chances here. But if it's a 20 pip stop overall, 25-ish, I might as well use the previous kind of high. You know what I mean? Where's Wix? He's on his way. I think he's coming back. He's coming on right now. Marco returns in 4 days. He returns on Monday or Tuesday. How much buffer do you add for sells? In sells, I don't really cover for spreads on sells. Can you clear trades taken? Oh shit. Thank you. I forgot about that. That was yesterday. Oops. We gotta put gold for this trade here once it what happens to it. Did I change the record yesterday, chat? I did, right? 10 wins for the month, and then for the year 80 10. Yeah, I did. Cool. The spreadsheet is like barely jumping now. Now that we have over like 100 trades taken, each trade barely affects the win rate. It's like it goes up by like 0.001 every time. What's the last price? Right here, 1721.036 or 721. The previous high, chat. You know, this is how I know some of you guys don't understand the trade, because you guys are asking how big stops are. It's very key to understand the trade before you get in. my stop loss is the previous kind of high. It's the previous 1 hour kind of high. So once this price, or if this price breaks the high, you know for a fact that it's going to drive up towards 1723 and so forth. And at that point, you don't want to be in it anymore, right? That's why our stop loss is there. Price breaks this, looking left, it has a high possibility to drive up towards like 1723, maybe even 1725. At that point, it doesn't make sense to be in the trade anymore because price may just drive up. Catch an Asian session? No, sir. No, sir, I didn't. I was looking at like the buys I wasn't really interested in. It was kind of a range one break fake out for me. These sells here wasn't too bad, but I think you didn't have a top wick or something here. I forgot what happened here. It was at 11. And 11, you know, kind of late into the Asian session. At that point, I'm calling it wraps. I'm not touching Asian no more after 11 for sure. So at that point, just called it a day. Didn't really trade it. And then London was pretty nice. This position at London was pretty nice at 5 a.m. But I don't think I would have caught that even if I were to trade London, because that's 5 a.m. That's like saying trading New York at like 11, basically. So I don't know if I would have caught that, but it was clean. And then you had, this is the only position that I see next, which is the one written right now. That makes sense to me. This one didn't really make sense to me. Though this one I wouldn't have taken just because he didn't close back into the range here. This one kind of just respected the support, but this one closed in the range, so this one should likely drive to fill the range. All right, we are no longer in drawdown here. Let's see what happens, chat. You know how I know I rushed GJ? I didn't even put the current price. I didn't mark up current price. I just put kind of the previous price here, but you can say the support is being respected here on GJ at 163.830. Yeah, kind of tough. Obviously, sells below here isn't too bad, but I think you need a top wick here. Range 2 breakout. Oh, nice. So we're hitting the 10 pip mark here. Gonna move my stops to break even here, chat, and I will close half of my positions here at around 11 pips here. So closing half there around 12, and then gonna move the rest, or we're gonna let the rest run until TP, which is gonna be roughly 1713.431. Alrighty. So there you have it. There's a trade. Exactly what we planned out. Some bit of drawdown, maybe like 4 or 5 pips, but yeah, pretty clean trade. Again, it was a 90% win trade from our trades taken this year. It was the breakout using the 1 hour time frame, using the break of the current higher low. It was a 90% win rate trade, and we taken over like 9 trades with that, like over 100 trades with that this year. Pretty accurate. But yeah, this one played out perfectly, and looks like we can add to our win column. So I'm actually gonna close 75% here, so I'm gonna just leave a 5 lot running here. Gonna close 75%. Let the 5 lot running. Yep. Close 75%, not 50. I closed 50 over there, around here, around 12, and I closed another at like around 13 and 5, basically. There you have a chat.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Now let's see if we can get runners, because yes, we had a nice runner. Let's see if we can actually, you know, today we can pull something off as well. You know what's key about this trade here? I know like either way would have played out, but like the fact that we wait for an extra, like a top wick there, right? Because price create a low top wick. It's not only about us winning a trade. It's more so about us waiting patiently for what we wanted. Like that's why I got away. Like that's why you should have got away from this trade. Like the first time we came out to create a top wick, cool. You know, like it would have played out either way, but still, like you came out to create a top wick, and I was like, you know what, chat? I'm not getting in here. This isn't what I want. I'm not getting what I want here. So I'm just gonna let price drive. If it drives, it drives down. Rip. I missed the move, but I rather see what I want and then jump the gun, and then by doing that, this just adds my discipline, right? Obviously, right here, I could have gone in here, could have easily gone in. I'm like, no, I'm waiting for a super top wick. We waited, gave us like an extra 20 minutes, and then we set sell stops, right? And then price kind of dropped after that. So yeah, that was pretty key. So it's not only about winning a trade, it's more so about like seeing this, you know, us staying through like time, the scenario where we wouldn't usually get in, right? In that scenario right there. So just being disciplined there, pretty key. Something you should get away from this trade here. Like forget the win, man. That stuff can come every day, but discipline, that builds you, right? Congrats, chat. That's all you guys, man. That wasn't me. If you guys are able to sit through discipline and sit through that first top wick, congrats. If you guys jumped the gun the first top wick, I mean, that was your trade. But if you got in impulsively, then slap yourself in the back or slap yourself on the head because you weren't supposed to do that. Somebody said it's a bad trade there. Don't be emotional, chat. Right? Once you have a playbook, the rules are set in stone. Some of you guys close full there, I'm guessing. Right? Some people don't like to leave runners past heavy decent support levels. I got runners here, but let's see what it do. Yeah, look where it tapped. Myers support at 716. Yeah, we have runners for 4 to 8 pips, but let's see. I'm about 13 back-to-back 13 half closures. Where's the spoon? On God today. You know what? No. Maybe another day, because the spoon was on for the people who have me on mute and play Fortnite and then have me in the background. But today I think everyone was locked in today, so I think we should be good. Bro, Nav made a meme. Hey, Signals, where you at?
She moved out of state, shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness.
Hey.
She used to dance, but she went alone.
Juan, what up? Juan Vargas, what's going on? Appreciate it. Thanks for tier 2. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the family. I'll tag you in some tweets. I'm not gonna lie. You tag the right Twitter. Marcos Ruiz. Hey, where is Marcos at? We need Marcos back, chat. We should have a Marcos countdown. 5 days left. He comes back. I need him back on Apex. Yo, Juan, appreciate it. Marcos, appreciate the 499. Hey, Marcos, send us a POV right now. Where you at? In Discord. Oh man, where did we close half at? Right here. Oh shit, my fault, Nav. I got too excited. That was a good meme. Meme page is up. Yo, chat, everyone go follow the meme page. DVS meme. I'm not gonna lie, I think we can change the logo. We can look to give it a different logo for his page. Have like I don't know, So someone with meme in there or something. CBS meme, pretty funny. Yeah, meme page. Everyone go follow it. DVS meme on IG. GG gonna make moves? Yes, sir. Big moves on GJ. Chat, my entry is 1718.12. So earlier I think I had sell stops there. I mean, that's where I kind of activated here. Pretty lucky. But yeah, it's basically the 1718.12. All right. Just letting you guys know now in case you guys say, but Don, you never hit break even. Entries at 1718.12 on Blue Bear Market. So until you tap 1718.12, I'm still in a trade. I'll let you guys know exactly when and how, if I get stopped at break even here or if it survives. But looks like this 5 minutes gonna drive up and hit my break even potentially. But yeah, 1718.12. All right. Oh, maybe we may have survived. Maybe. Hello, sir. Can I take a buy if a bearish candle is in form support and buy it above the previous bearish candle? It's a good trade, or wait for bullish candle closer. I'm not gonna lie, hyper trader. You need to break that down because reading that, I don't know how to answer your question. Sure, I guess you can take whatever trade you want as long as you sample size it. I'm done for a night. Thanks. Peace out, down P. Appreciate it. Peace. POV. Damn, my Marco's got the Yeezy, what's it called? Yeezy 3, Yeezy, is it 500? No. Or Yeezy season, is it season 3 boots? Is it season 4? I got the Yeezy season 3 boots on. Hey. My man Marco's rocking the Yeezys. Sir, how's your trade today, sir? Do you trade Asian, sir? Do you trade London, sir? To buy, sir. Sounds like my DMs, man, to be honest. Every DM I get is, hey, sir, would you like to check out this chart for me, sir? Okay, sir, thank you, but can you send me 300 BTC, sir? Where was that video yesterday? How much you guys pay for a haircut? I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking at 50 bucks. I'm not sure how much you guys pay. A lot of you guys said like $2 from where you're from. A lot of you guys said like under 25. A lot of you guys said, some of you guys said 100. I'm like, god damn, you guys are balling, man. 50 bucks for a haircut. Also on average, with tip and everything, like around 50ish. Sometimes like sometimes you gotta support your barber, man. You know, you gotta give him the extra for the barber. I'm pretty sure my barber takes like cheaper for walk-ins, and if you book, you gotta pay more. But I always give him extra because I've been with them for like years now. Been like a good 6 years with them. You can't switch up on your barber, man. You switch up on your barber, you'll learn real quick to never switch up again. Because your hair ain't gonna look the same ever again. I'm sorry. Like a curse. The only curse I believe in life is switch up on your barber. That's it. No FX curse. No trading curse. Only switch up on your barber curse. GJ pulled out? Yeah, GJ doesn't look too clean. Has no topic in a 1 hour here. Looks kind of suspicious. for the change of record. Well, I change a record once the trade, like whatever, like once it actually like hits break even or whatever. Something I do. I don't know why. I can just change it right now, but I'm gonna change it anyways. But because I want to see this run or not. Let's see. Can we get more positions later? If this thing if this is break even, I'll say next positions chat would be below 17, 16. I would say though, if we survive the top wick here, because the third main account opened up, right? It's got to create a top wick. Chances of us surviving are very slim. The most recent resistance is here to the left hand side. So there's a high chance price may tap those levels before it drives down for top wicks. But if we do survive it by any chance, then there's a high chance we'll drive down to fill the wick and come down towards the support level at 1713. Because then you'll fill this wick here, which I believe the wick fill here is going to be around 13 pips plus runners. So yeah, you have potential here, but I mean, you can't control that, right? You can't just gotta sit and wait here, to be honest. You may survive, may not. Look left here, like you're looking at these wicks here to the left. This is what price is kind of mirroring right now. This right here, I would expect. So, it'll be tough, but if we survive, we'll be good. Either way, ADM will have positions below 1716 if you get closures anyways. Oh! Did we survive? Everyone survived, right? I don't think I saw anyone that said they hit break even yet, right? Unless I'm wrong. Check Discord charts. Gotcha in a second. What the? But Pete Davis in there. What is this? Nice. Got the smiley face here, the eyes here, right eyes there, and this is the mouth. Together you have something like this. Fire analysis. Yeah, pretty fire, man. I like it. Looks good. Did I hit break even? And yeah, I hit break even. I hit BE chat. BE'd. 1718.12 has been tapped. Yeah, so that's a top wick. I honestly thought we survived there on a sec, because we came out create a high, and we came out create a high again. So I thought we survived that, but I guess not. Yeah, price came up. Like most recent resistance was here, so it makes sense to top wicks. But what we can do now is wait for ADM here. So ADM candle opens up, and it closes below 1716. Perfect, because if this third main candle can flip here, it'll likely drive down, and as it drives down, it closes below for ADM, and ADM perfect sells below 716, coming straight down towards 1713 would be a pretty nice sell take. I'm being honest. Not bad though. 75% closure was clutch there. I'm sure some of you guys managed a bit differently. Some of you guys closed full. Are you streaming 4K? No, I don't stream in 4K. There's no point, I think. The bitrate goes to like, well, I don't think the bitrate matters, but my bitrate is 8K, but I can't stream in 4K. I don't think so. I actually don't know. I don't think I can though. They're watching my stream, bro. If they're watching my stream here, they'll flip this channel right here, right now. Oh, some of you guys survive 718.19. Damn. Yeah, I had my stop at 12 earlier. I think you guys slipped there too. You got on the right entry. Perfect analysis, man. On point. Like everything explained her to the T. Like everything was perfect there in that chart. What up, K? What up? Do you use magic keys to trade? No, I traded my mobile device. when I used to use my desktop, yeah. Why can't you put sell stop? It's not bad on the 30. It's not bad on the breakout lows. You do have an advantage point here of 10 pips here. That's your advantage point, but I believe I'm gonna wait for 8 a.m. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 8 a.m. I'm just gonna wait for 8 a.m. If it drives down here, but I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour candle closer, and then closes below 716 with excels. If not, then I guess no position. But if you do get some sells on 30 here, for me to get my position, you need your position to drive down. So yeah. We're looking for sells below this resistance. We had a closure on the 1 hour and 4 hour below. The candle flipped bearish, and we had a confluence of the 4 hour that was bearish. The 30-minute candle retraced was a little bit. This is a nice chart, nice detail. The 30-minute candle retraced a little bit to retest the resistance, so I scaled to the 5-minute time frame. Not a big fan, to be honest, but I saw the structure form on the 5-minute time frame. Still, I didn't like the fact that the 4 candle didn't create a big wick on the top, but I had a confluence on small on a higher time frame. I said, yeah. So whenever you have like a 4 time frame doesn't have a top wick and such, like you could kind of ignore it, because if price were to create a top wick on the higher time, which is the 4 hour daily, weekly set and such, you'll see it happen on a small time frame first. So I usually ignore the higher time frames if that were to be the case. On the 4 hour time frame, G respected the previous lower high of the structure, so I were looking for sells. On the left, the zone is pretty clean, so I let the trade run. As trade management, I decided to use previous 5-minute candle since was above previous resistance and gave me a 12 pip stop loss. I've put stop loss at break even when it reached 7 pips. I will close 50% my positions. If the 5-minute candle could have reached the previous 5-minute opening, I've closed 50% my position at 25 pips. Lovely, good trade. Yeah, this is a very well detailed chart. The only thing I'll say is maybe put arrows to where you're kind of comparing chart the candles to. Like, let's say you're talking about the 30-minute time frame compared to like this candle over here or whatever. But other than that, man, good chart, good detail. I love it. Love to see it. How many coffees today, bruh? I got 1 today. I haven't drank it yet because they told me to hydrate first, drink some water first, and then drink the coffee. Apparently it hits 10 times worse, so, or 10 times better. Oh, gold's flipping here, looking good, looking good. If you guys are in, congrats. You guys are about to get a nice position here. If not, then wait. I'm gonna be waiting here. So till 8 a.m. Yeah, what's the worst thing that can happen here if we wait for a candle to close there? It drives down 10 pips here. Because our sell stop, if we were to enter, would be on a breakout lows, right? If it drives down here, like, what's the worst thing we can do here? It hits 10 pips, you know? So at that point, you might as well wait for the 8 a.m. candle, man. I'm just trying to talk to you guys because I know some of you guys are kind of FOMOing in right now. What camera do you use? Sony A7 III. Sony A7 III. I don't know if I like this camera angle though. Trying to see. Maybe I can change up the angle. I try to adjust it, but like, I want to have it more so like, I don't know. You guys like the old camera angle? What monitor you use? This one. It's a gaming monitor though. I don't know if you need it. I have a. I also have a 240 hertz monitor, which is this one, and then I have a 60 hertz and I have a 125 hertz. I got all of them. The 125 or no, I think I have 240 hertz actually. I have two 240 hertz. This camera was fire. How does the old one look? Oh wait, did I have a camera by then? I did have a camera. Just asking about taxes all the time. Yeah, there's a big difference in camera. I didn't. You a microphone too. When I upgrade my microphone, I was like, this is a waste of money, but you can't notice it. Where the flaps? I took it out. I got blinds, so there's no stun anyways. Your CPU specs kind of garbage. Ryzen 9 or something, or Ryzen 7 for CPU. I think I forgot what it was, but then I have the 3070. 3070. I bought the 3070 like last year. I'm gonna wait till the 4K series. When does like 4K series come out? How do I type it? GPU come out? Yeah, September 2020. I'm definitely gonna get the 4090 whatever, the best one out probably. That's what I was waiting for. Are me sending things while on your trip or not? I'm on the trip for 3 days. Well, 4 days. I think so. Honestly, try like we're only missing on like 3 days. But last time I went on vacation, I did some signals, so maybe, yeah, probably, maybe. Let you guys know. Most likely I will though. Most likely. Because last time I was on a trip with Dominican for 2 weeks. I was doing signals every day. It was our best month, surprisingly. You know why it was our best month there? Because I was up for London, Asia, and New York session. Because, you know, when you're on vacation, your sleep schedule's kind of messed up. And I was up for all 3 sessions somehow, some way. But yeah, that's how we kind of did it. Anyways, trade's taken. I got to update this record here. Alright, so 11 wins for the month. 11 wins for the month. And then for the year, 81 wins. Oh, goals but a goal. Bye bye. Honestly, chat, even if I were to have even like think about having self stops, I don't think I think I would have deleted them because it's the last 15 of the hourly candle. So at that point it's like, well, there's no point getting in. You might as well wait for a 1 hour close that away. Right? So even if I did have the idea of wanting to get in again here, I would have probably just not gotten in, to be honest. I would have waited for the 1 hour candle close. Is there a problem that one stop will take a few wins? Here's the thing. For us, for me, not for us. For me, no, because runners and obviously like with the win rate being extremely high. But if you want to use smaller stops, then use smaller stops. There's nothing wrong with using a more aggressive stop each and every time. Maybe we can sample size that using current count stops every single time versus using previous count stops. But you can definitely just use new smaller stops, man. Nothing's wrong with that. If you don't want to have a 25 pip stop, use a 10 pip stop. Use a 5 pip stop. You know, nothing wrong with that. But then your win rate might be, you might have smaller stops every trade, but you also might have a lower win rate, I guess, too. What's the win rate on 7 a.m. candles? I don't know, to be honest. I have no numbers for that. You can just check it out, I guess. But this month we've taken 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. So that's 100% so far. 3 trades. 4 trades break even. 5 trades win. Yeah, so basically 4 wins and 1 loss on 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. this month. When I take a sell going up and when I take a buy drop, you know, you're not trading the right way until you hear that MT5 sound. Until you hear that sound, man, you're not trading the right way. You have to hear that sound every time you take a trade. Make sure your lot size taps that level to hear that sound. And if you never heard that sound, you're not trading the right way at all. Unfortunately. You guys have PTSD right now? Honestly, that should be your alarm sound every morning, chat. You know that Beyond Scared Straight meme? Where's that meme, Beyond Scared Straight? Where's the guy? This one. This is what people should wake up. This is what you guys should wake up to. Margin call. You guys ever got called by your broker? Like, has your broker ever? I know nowadays they send emails, but have you guys ever like got a call from your broker saying like, oh, your account whatever is in serious red or whatever, or negative, or it's being it's full margin right now or something. You don't have a lot of margin left. I know that feeling, chat. On a Friday, you know. On a nice Friday, you want to make that extra money to reach your goal for the week, and you lose a trade, and the next trade you try to go full margin or up your lot size, and then you lose that trade, and then you up your lot size again, and then that's some things go downhill, and you're like, fuck. How many trades that take a month? I'll say around 20 trades. Honestly, the average here shows 11 on stream, but this is on stream only. We have off stream as well. I think all my trades are taken on a single channel. Like 95% of them are taken in a single channel. These are all my trades roughly. I'll say like 20, 25, 30 maybe trades a month. Like 2 a day, 1 a day-ish average. Depends on the month too. Sounds like you've done that. Of course I've done that. I speak from experience. I always speak from experience. Of course I've done that. I've done it 20 times. Blew my account like 20 plus times. You guys watch that podcast? The Trading Nut podcast? What's it called? Oh yeah, Control FX. What I listen to Wonka music on? You guys want to see what I listen to? Let's check my Spotify. Hold on. Spotify stats. Let me show you guys. What's my Spotify account? Uh, 8 minutes left for closure. Look at my all-time listening. It's all Cardi. It's all Cardi. It's all the same album. I'm surprised too, because I used to play that a lot more. Look at GJ. I'm not trading GJ until ADM. Yes, I see GJ, guys, but like, what do you guys want me to do? You guys always do this chat where you guys like, Chalon, look at GJ. It's driving. Like, okay, cool, but like, I can't do anything here. I honestly can't take a trade here. I have to wait till the account closes. Then that's how it works, right? You guys know. You guys know how it goes. Massive improvement on avoiding fake outs. I love it. Love to see it. That's great, man. Yeah. Yeah. Could you please explain the difference between vegetable names and can we get analysis, please? I gave one earlier. It's the same analysis. Nothing changes. I gave one. Look. Like I said, previous breakdowns at 6:40 a.m. Eastern. GJ and Gold. The analysis was sells below here. Look, read right here. You know, where's my spoon, chat? This is the time. Okay, sells below here. Closure. Range 2 breakout. Right. So I read it. Sells below here. Closure. What does closure mean? Closure means when your girlfriend leaves you and they give you a closure. Before they dip off forever, right? That's what closure means. So wait for that, and then once you have that, wait for a top wick and you can enter positions coming down for the range. You'll be in good hands. You guys know what I mean, right? Yes, everyone knows what closure here means, right? You know. But they ghost? Oof. You see, get yourself a girlfriend that at least will give you closure, chat. If your girl ghosts you, I'm sorry, but you know, it's way worse than 5 minutes for a closure here, guys. You have a support here as well, so I want to see if we can close below there too. Let me see here. What do you got going on? Yeah, I think that should be fine, actually. Yeah, that support there should be good. Then you have clean traffic, my friends. So here. Ever been to the UK? No, I want to go to London though. On theory on gold bearish and GJ, which one is lying? Use the MX. Use the max. For sure. London sucks. Come to England. I'll be around. I'm doing a Europe trip next year. I'm pretty sure I'm doing a Japan trip in January. I think. So I'll have a notification then. I'm pretty sure Europe next year with my girl as well. Yeah, somewhere middle of the year or something, beginning of the year. What's the best time to go to Europe? Like the best time. Like I don't want it too hot. I don't want it too cold. I want like nice, chill fall weather. Like hoodie, you know, type stuff. Like I can wear like a hoodie and pants, jeans, whatever. Like I can wear actual outfits and not be sweating my ass off. May. Spring. Yeah, what's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? These are my top 4 for me. Fall. Spring. Winter. I hate summer. Actually, I don't hate summer, but if you think about it, chat, because I had a discussion the other day. And I was thinking like, damn, I think people say that they like summer, but I don't think they actually like summer. Because what do you have in the summer that you don't have in fall? That you don't have in spring? Like winter is whatever. Winter time is whatever. But like summer, it gets very very hot and sweaty, and like you can't really do much. Like if it's, I don't know, like during winter time, it's beach. I mean, summer vacation is whatever, but you can do summer vacation. You can go Dominican or anywhere, you know, Punta Cana, whatever, where you want to go. Like you can go there any time of the year, and it'll still be hot there. Like summer in the city, I guess it depends on where you're from. Depends on where you're from, I guess. But in Toronto here, summer is actually terrible. Gets way too hot, way too chaotic in the city. Fall is like the perfect weather for everything. You have a free housing host for free? Damn. Damn. And that, guys, is how I lost my MT5 account. I'm blind. Come to Spain, you know, chat. I've never met a community that ever told me that if I come to their city, they'll give me a free stay. And now it makes sense to me. It all makes sense. Why this community always wants me to stay for free at their crib every time. I wonder why. Yeah, no, I'm doing a Euro trip. I go to like Italy and all that. Paris and all that. Yeah, for sure. But I think if I go to Europe, for sure, I think I'm definitely go for like a good month. It won't be a 2-week vacation. It'll be like a month vacation, like three to 2 weeks minimum. Because you can't travel all Europe in a span of a week or two. It's kind of hard. You need more time. Gold is not gonna close below, so free up all the people who took positions on gold on the last 15 of the alley candle. Kind of tough, sticky situation for you, but GJ here has potential. It just has no top in a 1 hour candle, so I want to see that get created first. You do have homework time coming up here, chat, in about 20 minutes too, so let's wait for that. Got the comics in about 20 minutes here, so we can do our homework. Yeah, there's know how we do. No, I've never been to Europe. What do you mean on Apex? Horizon. Come to Australia? Austria? Yeah, Australia would be cool. Here's the thing about GJ or Gold, chat. Gold closed weak bearish. It closed below support to the left. You can say that. It definitely closed below most recent support. I think this wick fill here is gonna be around 16 pips here, and that's a nice hot wick, my friends. Wow, you're close below. Lovely. Hey, that's not bad. How big are stops here? And the price kind of high. 16 pips. Yeah, 15 no top wick. 15 respected that resistance to the left. 30-minute time frame respect that resistance to the left as well. Not bad. The minimum break-even point, you have the advantage point of probably 12 pips here, I'll say. How big are stops? Current kind of high stops are gonna be 10. Previous kind of highs are gonna be 16. Yeah, break back into the range for a wick fill. It's not bad. Check, I'm gonna have a sell stop right here actually. 17-17-815. Sell stops here. All right, 17-17-815 is a sell stop. What up, Wix? Wix. 815, or it comes down to your broker, chat. You can do whatever you want. But
That deal.
But as for your broker, it's gonna be the flip of the candle. So once price flips bearish, you can just manage risk accordingly. What up, Wix?
What's the deal? What's going on?
We got sell stops here just as you came.
Oh no, I got subs too.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Nice.
I've had no power. 17, 17, 77. That's my entry.
17. I got activated too. 17.8 is my entry. TP is 17.13 chat. And stop loss is going to be the previous 1 hour high. So the previous 1 hour high stops are going to be, in this case, going to be around 18 pips here. 18 pip stops.
Yes, I had no power the last 2 hours.
Really?
There's a massive storm, big storm outside. It's just like I knocked out all the power. They got it up quickly. Like typically they're like, oh, 3 to 4 hours for somebody to come up, but like I called them up and they're like, oh, someone's already fixing it. Now it's up. So like an hour.
Yo, chat. So let's show we got activated here. We got activated here off of basically 17.17.818. Currently in some DD for 8 pips. Stop loss is the previous 1 hour highs though. I believe if price were to come down here and flip, the breaking point for me would probably be around, I want to say 17.16.784, like around those levels to the left there. That'll be the breaking point. Probably closing partials as well around those levels, but this is gonna be a trade. Or no, sorry, I'm not closing partials. Gonna just probably move stops break even here, but we'll let the rest run towards 17.13 for TP runners. All right. But yeah, I think that breaking point is gonna be around like 7-8 pips in profit. So looking left there, -4 to the left there, around those levels to the left. So at that area, I want to move stops break even, take advantage of that range, and let the rest run. Yeah, I got activated there, for sure.
It's rejecting. It's good.
I think my sell stop was maybe a bit higher, but I kind of like rushed into the sell stop. But overall, like same levels. Like, I think it's off by like a half a pip or anything, but it does make a difference anyways.
Yeah. Not activated. Not active. Oh, good morning, everyone. Just saw chat. Wix is in. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You guys already took a dub. Good shit.
Yeah, we wanted runners though. I really wanted runners towards 13.
Yeah.
You took it too or no?
No, I was actually on my cell phone threatening the cable company, and they're like, "It's not us." Yo, they definitely have like a picture of me for caller ID when I call. Like a picture of me comes up, 100%. Because I call them so much, so often. I tell everybody to remember me. Get everybody's name, get everybody's rep ID number. They're like, "Oh shit, this guy must be serious." But yeah, I missed the first one. I was on the phone with customer service and I got off. You guys took a dub. I was like, all right, good shit. I mean, I didn't miss it. I didn't plan for it, right? So it wasn't like miss for me. I'm good. Like I just came on. I took my trade, and I'm gonna be happy with a dub here.
Let's get a second one today.
Good shit.
Yeah, the first trade was a little cleaner, I'd say though, because like it was the first time breaking back into the range here. This trade is more so of, like it's breaking back to the range, and then I left a wick to fill. So it was a wick fill plus the breakout. The first was more so of a breakout.
But the chances of it running are better here, I think.
With ADM, I guess. Yeah.
With the volume.
You could say that. You could say that.
Well, I just want to say congratulations.
803 also get activated at 726.
Posted in the house.
Breakout off of the. Was it current higher low or? Yeah, it was current higher low trade. So current higher low off of the 1 hour. Oh. Yeah, stops are pretty small here too. 17 pip stop shot. I got that activated earlier. I'm sure some of you guys are activated right now, just now. So, cool.
Regardless, we're all in.
1716.996 move. Stop loss to B. Cool. So yeah, chat. Like my plan here is to stop the break even at 1716.996 here. Because look left minus support. But overall, I'll let the trade run until like 713. I won't close partials this time though until you tap 1716. I'll close partials there for 20 pips plus, I'll say, and then let the rest run. Is that even 20 pips? No, that's not 20 pips. That's like around like 16ish. But around that level is when I'll look to manage risk and close partials. You take GGSLs, nice, lovely. Chat, that rare moment when Don gets active before you guys. Yeah, so this trade here is basically just the gold sells off the 1 hour breakout, current high or low. So I think it's the same as last trade. Breakout, current high or low, off the 1 hour, same exact trade. Nothing really changed there, to be honest. Breakout, current high or low, 1 hour gold. Yeah.
I wonder if people enter positions when you enter positions, but then close out and draw down when they see drawdown.
I think earlier someone did. I saw in chat.
I think that's the issue. People don't trust their analysis or their analysis. They don't let their trades play out. A lot of times people take losses like I don't know, before letting the trade go, before we've actually seen things happen, you know. I don't know. Drawdown brings out like a lot of wild emotions in people.
You want to hear the new sound? Huh?
It's part of the game. What? What'd you say? Do I want to hear what?
I'm trying to chat. I don't think you can hear that through my I think you hear it through YouTube. I don't think you can hear it through Zoom.
My YouTube's on. Go ahead.
Like, make sure, guys, like this trade, you guys have that on. If you guys don't hear that sound yet, this trade is not gonna play out.
Someone just fucking emptied out their margins.
That's funny. Some people actually have that right now.
Oh man, I don't know. I'm not feeling well right now, dog.
Wait, is that the stop loss sound or full margin sound?
That's the sound where you don't have any more money to put into a trade.
Oh, that's the full margin sound, yeah.
Oh man, I got heartburn now.
This guy's a heartburn.
Damn, I haven't heard that sound since
Back in my good old days.
Since a blown account. Whew. I gotta go get my meds, dog. I got anxiety.
Chat, for real though, obviously, like, no, don't go for margin. But in this trade here, we're currently in a drawdown of 6 pips here. How I'll manage risk is probably off of the 30. So same as the last trade. I'll say if this 30-minute candle decides to come up and close above 1718 in about 20 minutes here, I'm close half. If the 1 hour candle closes above, I'll close full of my positions. But this is what I'm gonna be waiting for, or that's how I'm gonna be managing risk. Sorry. So close full if the 1 hour candle closes above 1718.790. Close half. I'll close half if the 30-minute candle closes above to manage risk. But pretty small stops overall. I think if you use the same lot size for the last trade and this trade, I mean this trade, stops gonna be a bit, or your risk is a bit smaller here in this case. Will we survive COMEX? Let's see. If it breaks the 1 hour highs, what COMEX might do is you might see price drive out towards like 1722, maybe 1721-ish levels before it heads down for COMEX. But I mean, this stop loss here is 1719 on the 1 hour break at highs. Because if you break the high, then on to the next trade. This trade won't be valid anymore. All right. Alrighty. But currently in some drawdown here of 12 pips. We're 5 pips away from stop loss. Can we hit stop loss? Let's see.
Hit him with that sound.
Can we hit stops? If it breaks the 1 hour highs, we'll be out. Getting close, chat. Or a pip away. It looks like it may hit stops though in this case. Like, it didn't break the highs yet, but by the way price is moving, could it stop? So you can say your 15-minute range one fake out is in your favor, but you gotta survive this top wick on the 15 if that were to happen.
Brought this on yourself. With that sound.
Could be a stop, chat. Could be a stop. Could be a stop. Could be a stop. But what you don't want to do is be emotional about it, right? Your plan was to manage risk, whatever your plan was before getting into the trade, and that's exactly how we are going to, or that's exactly what we're going to do. Manage risk off of our plan, just like the last trade.
You're not behind till the highs are broken.
Yes. If the highs get broken and then you say, you know what, I'm gonna move my stop loss up, then that's when you made a mistake. Because then you just didn't follow your plan. You took an L by not following your plan. Let's see. We are currently about 5 pips away from hitting stops. Can we hit stops here or price reject? We are tapping into a resistance here, so I mean that's our stops that way.
If you hit stops, you should have more opportunities for a fake out.
If it flips though and doesn't break the highs, then we're in good solid hands. But I mean the 5 is no bottom wick, you can say that. If the 5 can close bearish below, I mean we look solid, but
yeah, we're in good position, but you still needed to respect this zone right here. 17, 18, 9.
Pre-comics, comics might be a bit choppy for a trade here, because like if we're in a trade still and this thing closes bullish above on the 15 here, right, in about a minute and a half, the next comics candle you may see just drive up, and it's like gonna hit our stops if that were to happen. Just speaking from a logical term though, right? That's just what makes sense for comics. Like the same way we back test and do our homework every day for comics is the same way we can look at the trade from that perspective. Yeah, unless the 15 has no top wick, then we'll survive, but looking a little sticky here. I don't know why the blueberry highs are a little different here. Highs are broken on blueberry, but not on Wando. And yep, highs been broken. We're about to get stopped out here. About to get stopped. 17, 19, 70 is my stop loss on blueberry. Still in. But I did break the highs. I likely hit stops there. I just covered stops for spreads. By like maybe I'll say an extra like 2 pips, I'll say. But not even 2.5 maybe for spreads, but 79.7 on stops. How long I'll survive? I knew someone was gonna say that. Chat, my stops are 19.70. I used cover for spreads earlier, but I mean I should get stopped here. I mean I should get stopped that away. It broke the highs. So don't worry. I'll hit stops with you. Hamid. Or TT, sorry. Wrong level. It broke highs. Technically, I should be out, technically. Now it's like bullshit. You shouldn't get hit. Chat, like when I get hit on stops and stuff like this, like it's all here. Don't worry. Like it's just I'm still in the trade. I'm literally still in the trade. It's 19.70 here. I should get stopped. There's no reason for me to survive here. But let's see. I mean, even on Awana though, like 19.56 never got tapped. The highs were like 370, or so the highs were 540. The highs here were 560, but it did break the 1 hour highs, I'll say. Typically when it breaks the highs, it'll retrace and then continue to push up to break the continue to break the high, and that's when we got stopped. Let's see, GG came down 21 pips. Damn. Yeah, GJ pretty clean. Daily flip, nice. 1 hour close below. Honestly, for GJ, the reason why I wasn't looking at GJ too much was because I think I was waiting for a steeper wick. I was worried about the previous 1 hour not having a top wick, and I was also worried about this current high here as well, creating a steeper wick. I didn't really get in on GJ. I was looking at gold. Any comments being my favorite? I think the 15 close above. This 15 is gonna flip bullish here and hit my stops. Don't worry, chat. I'll get stopped over to you guys. Or some of you guys. Much closer position then? I mean, it's like a pip away. It's like, if I'm still in here and it's still active and I was like, I'll pip away, I might just leave it. This is fake candles. And even if I do close now, chat's gonna be like, well done, we got stopped out and you closed that whatever. So like, if I honestly, like, for the sake of it, rather get stopped out and be, you know, be just everyone be on the same page than me being active here and you know, chat complaining for the next 5 days about this one trade on a spreadsheet. So because chat's gonna be on either way here. When things like this happen, when things like this, it's kind of, I guess, kind of annoying, but I can't really do anything about it. Could be our loss. Could be chat. Is this spreadsheet updating? I swear we just won a trade here on a current higher low, and the win rate for it is still the same. It's still 9%. Why isn't it 91 here or something? 93. July. T31. That's T31. T31. Yeah, why is it not changing? I'm confused. Here, re-enter. Don't re-enter, chat. Don't re-enter. If you re-enter, it's gonna be an emotional entry. It doesn't make any sense to re-enter. Don't wait. It broke the highs already. It doesn't make sense anymore. If you're in the trade here, I'll say, or if you're not in the trade here, just wait for comics open up. Oh, we have comics here though. Comics 15 close above. The 5 did close back into the range here, but the 15 did close above. If you survive here, then I don't know what to tell you. Technically though, chat, technically the 1 hour candle never hit our on price, and never hit our level for stops at 563. Obviously for buys or stops one cover for spreads too, but that's what I kind of did here. Fill in. There's gonna be a plan. Don't be in pain. I'm at BE right now. Didn't get stop loss, but closed at -4. Not bad. Okay. Can we break the lows? Can we drive? Can we drive through? Emotional damage for everyone. Sorry. Chat, we're gonna go ahead and move my stops to break even here. At this point on price, and let the rest run towards target. I think I'm gonna close half at right here actually of my position. So at around 10 pips there, and let the rest run towards TP, or 12 pips actually. Yeah. I mean, hey, I'm sorry, chat. I don't know what to tell you. I couldn't really do anything there, to be honest. I can't really control price there, to be honest. You know, but like if you look at the trade overall, like typically that's what you should do though. Like stops here were like 563. I never moved the stops here on a Wando. It was there initially, and I mean price never hit it on a Wanda. So like which one to do is compare it to your broker, and you always want to adjust for spreads and all that for stops, right? I mean that's what I did there. I don't tell you guys, like I don't know what to tell you. It feels like whatever, but like it feels like I scam a whole lot of you guys, but I mean I can't really control that stuff, to be honest. It's not really what I can do. But dubs though. Somebody has re-entered W's, WW. I close half and let the rest run towards TP. We get runners. How much came my favorite today? So I got TP at like 1713.540 here. We'll see what happens. Yeah. So close half there around 13. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I actually closed half at 20. But when I said I was in close half, it was 13. So I'm just gonna put 13 on the spreadsheet. I'm not gonna put 20. But I did close half at 20 because closed a 10 of a 20 lot. A breakout. What do you mean I'm capped? Look at this. When we were in the trade here, what was the stop loss? 563. That never changed. Right? 563. That never changed. The highs are never broken. We came up to like maybe 540. Look left. Top left of your screen. You know how it's high. Okay, look at this number right here. The highs, 540, right? I mean, cover for spreads all the time for stops and stuff. I mean, I never got tapped. 570. But chat, gonna go ahead and close my full position over here at 38 pips here. So we're gonna close full over here on this trade, and that was the trade. I mean, chat. I mean, where are the monsters now? Oh, we're closed perfectly too. Perfect. Lovely.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
I know chat's been so mad about this trade here. You know, I give chat a trade almost every day of my life here on stream. And I know this one trade is gonna make chat so mad, but like, what can I do? I just never broke the highs. I never got hit for stops. What can I do? You know? I can't do anything. I literally could like never got hit. Some of you guys said you guys can get hit too, so. In the last trade, like this trader, I got activated before you guys too. I got activated before you guys in this case too. I could have easily said, oh, I didn't get activated yet. But I got activated when it just made nip, and then it came up to drawdown like 3 times, and then it came back down. Then you guys got activated after, right? So I could have easily lied about that too. But I lied about it. Well, there it is, chat. I'll tell you. I'm gonna go for Apex, honestly. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Nobody's mad, bro. Trust me. Read above you. Chat's mad. It happens like once every blue moon in a single channel as well. And you know, soul chat, like things like this wouldn't make you like, wouldn't make a difference going forward, anyways. Like it wouldn't change the way you trade or anything. It wouldn't change the way you view the charts or like your like long-term success on trading. Like small things like this. If you got stopped out, you got stopped out. Whatever, it is what it is. Move on to the next trade. Like, but you found that same plan every day, you'd be a winner. Like small things like this wouldn't really affect your win rate going forward or anything. What happened? Did you get stopped out?
Nope. Wix hit full TP.
Well, just stop. Chat's on my ass right now. Like chat's about to like, you know, chat just forgot about everything I did for them and just said, "Fuck you, done."
What do you mean? What happened? Everybody smacked it, no? I literally walked away when we were like a pip away from hitting stops. So I figured we were gonna hit stops. So I took a quick ride to the store, got some Starbucks.
Wix, whoa.
And we smacked it.
Well, you know, here, I mean, yeah, look, you know, we definitely smacked it, but
I didn't even close partial.
but chat here can argue and say, you know, like we got stopped out, which like it did break the 1 hour highs, but it never hit our official Wanda stops, and with spreads covering for stops, in that case, like
what was your stop?
it never broke out of way. On my broker's a bit different because the high on Blueberry was way off there. The high on Blueberry was like around let me see, the high was
I had 17.19.77 and entry was 17.77.
the high on Blueberry was 48, right? That was the high on Blueberry, but on the high on Owanda was I think around
Oh, it came close.
It was way off. Like the high on Blueberry was 48, right? 17.1948. The high on Owanda was 1718.936. So I just adapted to my broker. That's why my stop was kind of off. Like, but it's over at the same stop though, like 1970 compared to like 19 like here on Owanda. It's literally the same stop. It's just that price had different price points due to different brokers.
Yeah. That's normal though, but you just adjust according to your broker. You know, it broke the highs, but it didn't stop me out. I gave it 3 pips spread on the stop loss, 3 even, and yeah, I didn't even close partials. It just like came back to full TP. I love everybody.
It was just weird because like on Owanda, it was just usually like we'll have the same price points, but Owanda today, Owanda versus Blueberries was kind of off today on price.
Why you hating on me?
And if you guys on Blueberry, you guys would definitely vouch for me. That's literally what happened on Blueberry today. It was kind of off.
It's just that you're always gonna have an issue when you're trading on one, and you're showing another broker like on the screen, right? Like when you're showing Oanda on the screen and you can't show Blueberry because there's no fucking trading view on Blueberry. So I don't know. I was really close.
Hey, we said yesterday, Wix. I said, don't give me credit for the wins that I give you guys, and don't give me credit for losses. In this case,
it's all you.
All wins and losses are on you. I mean, this is a win. It's all on you. If you didn't take it, then tough. If you did, then that was your trade. That wasn't my trade, right? Even for when we win, like even when I said the same thing yesterday, I said when we won and not when we lost, because I knew when we win, it's kind of easier. So
you guys go fucking, oh yes, Yes, we fucking smashed it. Then you take credit for that fucking win. You go tell your boys. You go show off. When you take a loss, do the same thing. Yeah, it was me. I took that fucking L. Don't be like, oh, this time it was done. Wix went to the stuff. We were like, I was less than spread. I was like 2.6 pips away from hidden stops, but I'm not gonna close it out, man. Like, my stops are there for a reason. And I just went to the store. I figured, like, hey, we're gonna hit stops, and this shit just came right back down. That's why you don't involve impulses in here. Don't involve your emotions. Just be a machine. Parameters, numbers, and
Obviously,
common
like
sense.
Chad didn't get mad at me when it came closest when it came close to getting stopped out. Chad got mad at me the moment it came down. That's funny. Like they got annoyed when they didn't get, like, because when it got close to stops.
It took them out.
Yeah, they're like, hey, I said, like, I'm about to get hit stops too, probably most likely here. I survived. But then when it came down, that's when chat was kind of on one after.
That's Chad. If they didn't do that, they wouldn't be Chad.
Comics might be a bit choppy, or that's the trade from that perspective. Yeah, I'll say an extra, like.
Well, what a fucking trade.
Still in.
Why'd you change your name from Donvo to Controller Effects? He didn't. Donvo is his real name. Controller Effects is what it was changed to and changed back.
171970 is my stop loss. I said it here too. Like,
what is it?
Before like chat, listen. I'm gonna pause the music. Before like this trade here, I'm doing analysis because I try to get a point across. Before this trade even came up to like 560, it was a pip away. On Blueberry. What did I say? I guess stop. 171970 is my stop. 171970 was my stop before it even came up. Before
77 was mine. 171977.
Like, I said it on stream. It's not like I said it after. Like, I said it when it was like a pip away too. It was like a pip and a half. It was 560, 525 on Owanda.
Yeah, but
right?
Did it break the previous high on Blueberry?
Yes, but the thing is, like, the highs on Blueberry and Owanda is different. That's why today's prices are kind of different for me. Owanda's and the Blueberry, they had like different, like the high on Blueberry was like 5 pips off, like literally 5 pips off. It was weird.
It broke it.
Yeah, it broke on Owanda and it broke on Blueberry, but like I said,
so
like,
you set your stops a little bit above
for spreads, yeah, basically before.
For spreads, so
Yeah.
exactly. So that's what you guys have to do. On the buys, account for spreads. On sells, you don't account for spread, only on stop loss. On your stops, you have to account for spread, and on buys, you have to account for spread on entry and TP.
38 pips, I'll take it.
Why does everyone keep repeating that? Wix went out the room and said, let's hit their stops, and came back. That's it. I went out there because Don couldn't call the market maker, and I called him. I was like, listen, homie.
Sometimes, like, Ted didn't answer the phone for me today. He only answered the phone for you.
And Don gave me your number, so I told him. This is a reoccurring theme. Reoccurring. It occurred already. Now we can recur. So yeah, just account for spreads. You never even want to be close enough, but in this case, like, look, you never,
Drew account for spreads or just like didn't break the highs on TD? 'Cause I don't know how TD looks at all.
It broke the highs. But I counted. It broke it by like a 0.3 of a pip, and I had over 3 pips of spread, 3.2, 3.3. 17 was my stop. So I gave it, and the previous candle I think was 41, so 3.6 pips of spread.
You should put your entry and stop loss on screen. But the charts are off of Wanda. But that's why I always preach and I say, like, I always say just adjust to your broker. I always say that every trade, adjust to your broker every time, because the prices are always different on both brokers.
Lesson learned, always account for spread. No, not always, but you have to know in which situations.
Like for sells, you don't really account for spreads, but like whenever, like, let's say you have a stop loss for sells, yes, but whenever you have like a Like whenever price is going down, you don't really cover spreads. But price goes up, you obviously have to cover. You have to cover spreads.
Because what's a stop loss, right? You're basically buying, right? That's a buy. When you hit a stop loss on sells, that's you getting out of a position. That's you buying back the currency that you sold, right? So basically, on every buy, it's you have to account for spread because the market will activate on the spread price. And on sells or any shorts, or on when you take a buy and your stop, you hit your stops, those things, because a stop on a buy would basically a sell, right? Then you don't account for spreads.
I think this only happened to us on stream, like this scenario here, maybe like 2, maybe 3 times.
But that's not because it doesn't happen. That's because the trades we take are very, very sharp, very on point. But it happens in the markets, like overall. Just most of our trades, they go, and the way we activate, we'll typically straight into profit. And if there's drawdown, it's minimal. Quick says a joint, get stopped out. I didn't get stopped out. I have a joint. I always have a joint. It's irrelevant. There's joints like the market. It's always going to be here. Yo, Don, why don't you show your MT5 terminal like Raja? Because he don't want to fucking, he don't want to crush you with his wallet.
I got social media.
Oh shit, I didn't see it. Start smoking. I started smoking when Don played the fucking full margin sound, and it brought back memories. I was like, oh shit.
I tried on my mobile device. Wait, I don't want to bring names up in the chat. I don't know why I heard the comment, to be honest.
Zip.
Yeah. I don't want to bring other people in, good or bad. Like, I don't want to. Cause then look at chat.
Word. We ain't gotta do this shit. Don could have hit me up on Zoom and be like, yo, fuck this stream. Straight. But he's still trading it. If giving somebody, their dues is dick riding, I guess. Call it what you want to call it. Yo,
on to the next chat. On to the next. Remember that one trade chat when I took it out of my spreadsheet because you guys were on me about that 1 pip. So I took it out. And we keep it as real as you can. To be honest.
Hold on, you took out a trade from a spreadsheet?
Yes, because chat was complaining about it.
But what was wrong with it?
They're complaining about it being instead of 1 pip, it was BE. It was a fucking pip. So I'm like, okay, whatever. I'll take it out. I'd rather check it out and have people complain about it for the next like 5 years, right? On a spreadsheet.
Man, you guys are lucky Marcos is not here. Marcos would be fucking banning people left and right now.
Chat.
Wait till he comes back.
Chat. Next time, don't say Donvo, you're the goat, no cap, and then when we win another trade on stream, don't be the same person to say that and then just thing after. Anywho, Gold and GJ. GJ came up, creating a steeper wick here, and Gold here is coming up. So pretty lovely. We closed perfectly too on the T. Our TP is a little lower by like maybe an extra 2 pips, but we closed full. But yeah, as for
you closed manually?
Yeah, I closed manually there. I closed full. But they work in Australia, I'm pretty sure. I think so.
I think they're Australian as it is. Oh.
Thanks for day streams. Gotcha.
You have zero spread and you saying you didn't tap that stop loss? Very weird. That doesn't make sense.
Yo, on to Netflix.
All right.
We don't gotta drag it. We spent the last 30 minutes talking about it, and people coming late to the streams and shit. Just gonna bring it up again. So
Hold on. Do you have zero spread? You don't have zero spread. You have zero commission.
blueberries,
Still have spread.
blueberries, no commissions. Yeah, I have spreads though.
You just don't have commission. That's it.
Earn D, you clearly came late. Go to 814. I literally said before we even got stopped out that the price on Orlando here was like a pip and a half off, and I told you guys like the stop on blueberry. It was before I said 770 on blueberry.
I mean, we're entering the last 15 of the 4 hour. I mean, we already got 2 wins, right, on stream for the morning. I mean, want to just throw a word at them?
What time is it? It's 8:40.
I'm gonna wait till after NYSC.
The chat. This is why I wanted to hit stops here so bad, because this hurts way more than for some reason taking out fucking stops on stream. I literally said I'd rather hit stops here, and you guys laughed. You guys laughing like no way, lol, www. And then once the trade plays out, you guys are like, oh, this hit stops done. Like, which one is it, chat? Like, which one is it? Pick one. But I literally said earlier, like, I'd rather hit stops here because I know long term, like, this is gonna be annoying to talk about going forward.
Don's pissed.
Man. We're on Apex. Yeah, I'm doing.
Funny when you're angry.
I'm gonna do an a Wordle thing because I know everyone's gonna leave here, so I know like maybe 200 people are gonna leave, the fake ones.
The loyal ones will be here.
Yeah, the ones will be here. The ones that actually come to the streams.
Wow.
We got no letters, bro. What is this?
Nothing.
It's like,
Try
what was that word we did yesterday?
money. Oh no E.
What was that word we did yesterday that had auto vowel? It's the second letter.
I don't know, quiet. Something like that.
No, it had like IOU in it. Oh, Louis. You can't do that.
No, it was an S at the end. Louis.
Lewis?
Wasn't it?
You can do Lewis. Bruh.
Wow.
I'm on my Toronto playlist. We can go with I here.
How about? Oh no T and D. Vivid. Oh no D. No I in that position.
Huh? Check. You need to check, right?
Hey, you can do it. Shit, we don't have too many other options.
Oh, 2 C's are clutch there. Look at that. Big dub.
And the H, so the I is either in the end or the second one, right?
It's gotta be a second one. Like TIC,
I think
H,
the
something
H
like
is
this.
at the end. CH is the end.
Yeah, so CI like something.
Huh.
CI. Is it a word? No. What is this word? No, that I can go second. Oh,
The I goes either second or last. And if you put it last, then you put a And the H, then the H has to be in the middle at that point.
Yeah, so it'll be like something like this, right?
Well, no. What if you put the C, go C, X, HCI? Something. What's the second? What if we change the second?
But what? There's no vowels or anything can go there. Like, it can't, right? It's impossible. There's no, maybe another I. It might be two I's, honestly. I think it might be two I's.
Yeah, but then what the hell is that word?
Is that a word?
Because then if it's two I's, the I has to be in the end. Wow.
No, it's not a word.
How about CINCH? I don't know if that's a word.
Yeah, it's a word. I think it's a word. That could be
It
that.
sounds like it's a word.
Yeah,
Cinch.
it's a word. It's definitely a word. W.
Yo, that's 2 days in a row.
That's
bro.
our 101 win.
It's 2 days in a row. Smacking it.
How many viewers left? 95? Good.
That's it.
The toxic ones. Can't be the bad bears. Ah. Shush. Wix cheated?
Yeah, this is crazy. I love chat. I love Josh K. I love you, bro. Like, it would take all the fun out of doing this.
I didn't eat my breakfast today yet.
Here's what we do. We turn off chat and we turn on Zoom so we don't see you guys. But everyone on Zoom is allowed to, like, point shit out and speak. And oh, Mary asked me if I survived it. Yeah, Mary survived that.
Who actually survived? Chat.
Do a poll. All right, chat. Same time tomorrow. We'll be doing this again. Same thing.
We're not ending stream yet. Gold could be arranged on a fake out here. We might get a third trade.
Will you be here trading though?
Yeah, why? Tomorrow's holiday or something?
Well, I'm asking them if they're gonna be here trading. They're so upset. They're still gonna show up tomorrow and trade. So like, I don't want to hear it.
You're right, yeah. They'll still be here. They're coming back.
You might get 3 or 4 trades today. You take any London trades?
No, I wasn't up. I went to bed at like 12. Woke up at like 6. Decided that today was gonna be a toxic day. Started to stream out.
On a Tuesday. When's the last time you taken a London trade? I haven't seen you do shit at night for a while.
No, I haven't traded London in a while.
Yeah, that was a big thing on your vacation. Just London signals all night. How do you calculate what lot size is best for your account? Typically, 1 to 3% makes me warm and fuzzy inside. It makes me comfortable. You can do what makes you comfortable. Like, if you're whatever amount you're okay with losing, and that's your comfort zone. Just narrow it down, you know what I mean? Lose a lot, lose a little, see where you feel comfortable. Don't think about how much you can make with your lot size. Think about what you're okay with losing. And then once you get consistent in winning, then profits will just like, be a byproduct of you winning. You'll see it.
Jeez. How's your day going today? My day is going fantastic.
To survive.
Where'd you get your streams overlay? I made it. I made my stream overlay.
Looks you hear this thunder? Yeah, it's fucking knocked out my power this morning. Where you at, main end? I'm in Broward County. Oh, you're in Boca. I think it's coming your way. Cause it just like, yo, it flooded everywhere here. I'm gonna be in Boca in a couple hours. I'm heading up there. So bad here. Yeah, if we got, cause we got flash floods, so it's like it's pretty bad to get out the neighborhood.
What up? Appreciate the $2 donation. You gotta donate. Thank you. Which month, year did you feel things starting to line up? I'll say I did like today, you know. No, I'm playing.
Finally got
when
it. Today we
things
finally figured it out.
finally lined up. Like it's a never-ending journey, man. You learn every day, or you're supposed to be in the mindset of wanting to learn every day. If you feel like you're a goat or whatever, if you call yourself ever a goat, or you know, like you have that ego, you'll never grow as a trader, and eventually things will hit a peak. So you always gotta put in the effort to learn every day, because the market's always gonna change, and you gotta adapt to the markets. So if you ask me, like my consistency in year 1 versus year 2 versus year 3 are completely different. Year 1 consistent, cool. Year 2 consistent, even better. Year 3 consistent, even better. So like every year we try to get better, and that's what we improved on this year. This year is more so of the small time from range 1 breakouts. Last year was learning about the fake outs. The year before that was not taking impulse entries. So each year it's always something extra, and that's what kind of leads us to this success we have with the win rate. Because if you go on last year's spreadsheet, it was a little lower, right? Or it was a lot lower with a lot less trades too.
Snap out of that goals
Brother.
mindset and into that growth mindset.
Brother or sister, we showed results for a year already. Every day for a year straight. It's the 5th time. We consider talking something like U-Star for a month. We have been looking at U-Star every day for the past like couple months here until probably next year, and then next year we'll probably add to our lineup here. Might remove GJ, let you guys know, but it comes down to like how low this win rate is this year. If the win rate comes down to like maybe a 70 below, then next year we might take a GJ out, because that's pretty low. Wait, it's just 2% today?
No.
A little less?
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't raised my lot size. Like, right? That count kind of grown, but I haven't raised my lot size. lot size do y'all use? I use 10 and 5s, and Don I think uses 20s and 10s.
What was the peak viewers stream? Nah, I don't think it was that crazy today. 1400 maybe? Yeah, 1400 was peak. So not even that bad. I think out of the 1400 people though, like maybe 800 are the ones that actually come every day. That's typically how I calculate it from our audience. Because you have other streamers, alright? Understand it's fine for currency. Well, you're saying that from your perspective, right? We want to like, we have standards and stuff, so we want to keep it up. Like we don't want to have it below 7%. We can obviously find ways to be better. Okay, that's not my, like 7% isn't what I want. I want to aim for more. You're fine at 70, it's fine. 70 is not bad. Like you still be away in trade over 70 for sure. But how long do you stream for today, Wix? Shit.
How long should you stream for?
How long
you
do we stream for?
Like 3-4 hours typically. Today you're on for 2.5 hours. I don't know.
Yeah, today feels like it's
been a long day.
It's not even been a long day. It's just like
well, the chat, the vibes, but yeah, you know what I mean. Like you took a W early, and then I wasn't there, and then we took a W later, and then half the chat wasn't there. You know. You'll get this 2 days a week, like, right? This is gonna be the Friday vibes too. Regardless, there's 1,000 real ones here, and they're here for a reason, right? Like, you're here for a reason. Like, there's not many people trolling in chat. Most people are here for value, and you know, value speaks for itself.
we have a 9 a.m. closure here. Yeah, you're right. I mean, people who are still here. I mean, typically, even if so, like, I think we'll be average the same. Like, even if that thing didn't happen, like, typically, whenever we win a trade, we'll lose like a good 300 euros, 300.
GJ, respect it. Look at GJ.
Oh wow. Yeah, you have a Wickfield and GJ here, chat. It's not bad. You need a top wick first, I believe, though, for positions here. But you did close, like, you can say back into the range there. I'm a little locked into gold here. Gold is interesting here because the daily bias today overall is bearish, right?
Bearish.
The 4 count closes bearish here. The 4 count is pretty clean. You did close. You can say you closed rash to support, but you did close below most recent resist support, and you have a 4 onion here. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at here. You have a support here. You have a resistance like over here. You close bearish at the top of the range, confirm resistance. So this next count should likely drop down towards the bottom of the range. You're at 1713, 1714. So, yeah, I will be looking for positions. However, I need positions. I'll probably want positions once you get a closure back into the range here, because this could be a fake out on a 30-minute time frame. So if this 30-minute candle decides to close back into the range here, like so, then you can definitely take sales coming down towards the bottom of the range. That's what I'll wait for. Part 930 here. That's the next candle closure. Might be a third trade today, 3 wins. Or 2 wins, 1 loss. Let's see. Or maybe just 2 wins, and we'll call it a day. But 930 here, and that's my cutoff time. 9:30, 9:45-ish. Wait, so we're done? No, we're not done. I'm waiting for this candle close. This is a nice fake out though. This is an 85% chance we have a fake out here. We just gotta close back into the range. This isn't a fake out, chat. It's just because it's coming down here doesn't mean it's a fake out. The fake out will be once we actually close back into the range.
Somebody said, so we wait another 30 minutes?
Yes, we're in for another 30 minutes. We have to. Unfortunately.
Yeah. Word. Don't touch grass. I'm gonna go get a Red Bull. Chat coffee and a Red Bull. My ass definitely gonna see sound.
Oh, is FOMC? I might do 2 streams, yeah. FOMC stream and morning stream. I'll do a morning stream for sure, but FOMC I'm kind of like 50-50ish on. I'll let you guys know tomorrow how I feel. Actually, screw the FOMC stream, you know? You guys asked me for an FOMC stream after today. God damn.
Bring an extra large spoon.
You guys want FOMC stream tomorrow? You guys want? Do a poll? The poll's on Sade. Like 9% yes. For sure. For some reason I'm hyped for next year with the help of more data. Me too. I want to see how I want to gold broke the lows are nice. Silverman broke lows. Yeah, I want to see how this year ends with like all the stats and stuff, because we're making a nice spreadsheet for this. Hey Badger, you hear Badger? For some reason this thing isn't updating. I swear we took a trade with it like 5 times, like 2 times today, and it didn't change. Let me see actually. Breakout 1 hour current high low, say like 300. Yeah, it doesn't change. It's still 9% win rate. It's so weird. Current high low 1 hour. It's not really changing. It's weird because it was 90 and then it didn't change from a 90 for some reason. It should be like 90 something, or maybe like the past trades you could lost on with that hasn't gone down or either, so it's weird.
Maybe you've taken enough trades where it won't affect it.
No, you know I did change it. The white box in the stat sheet, that area, white box in the stat sheet. Where's the white box? Oh, right here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to fix that. Your new post on your IG is not good. What do you mean? I also see it on live stream. Nigga HD, what's going on? What up, what up, what up? This guy gets banned and he still shows love every day.
Most consistent motherfucker on here.
I What are you doing for the rest of the day, Wix?
I'm gonna take a ride up to my boy's house. He just bought a new crib.
New crib? Where, Miami?
In Delray. He lives in West Palm, but he bought a new crib in Delray, so I'm gonna go up and check it out.
Yeah, how close are you to Fort Lauderdale?
6 minutes, 10 minutes. It takes me to get to Fort Lauderdale Airport. Takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, and it takes me like 25 minutes to get to South Beach.
Damn.
I'm not by Doral. I'm an hour away from Doral.
So 9% your stat is correct for the 1 hour breakout? Really? How come, cause look, if I do this, breakout using current higher low off the 1 hour, so I got like 200 pips there. It doesn't change. It went from a 90 to like a 90. Right? Breakout, previous 1 hour higher low. Or current higher low. Oh, give me a second. Yeah, 9%. It still doesn't change. Unless this whole line is messed up. This whole line might be messed up. Badger in live action. I'm copying a so. Badger in live action. Not lying. Never mind. I'm sorry. 86. Okay. Nice. So it's 90 then, right? You heard of Legend? No, I haven't. No, is that? I'm Vietnamese, Russell.
Pat just said you need to take a loss.
He said that? Oh. Thanks, Badger. Appreciate it. Rough day, say, you know. Oh.
See, positivity is just seeping through your pores.
Yo, DK, is that a joke?
Stay positive. If you want to see the numbers go down, he said, you got to take a loss. So what, it can't be more than 90%? What do you mean? Hey, I go there sometimes. I never go there, to be honest.
You might get a 15-minute fake out here, Wix. I'm waiting for a 30 though, but you might get a 15, yeah.
Tier 2.
G for a tier 2?
7
Thank
months.
you, thank you. Damn, that's a long time, man.
Man, that's almost family.
Appreciate it, appreciate it.
What are you gonna do today? You're gonna stream Apex for 16 hours?
I'm playing Apex all day today. Literally all day today. That's my therapy.
Damn, man. What's going on with you?
What? What do you mean? Have you lost? I only stream Apex when we win a trade though. When we lose a trade, I don't stream Apex because like the chat's gonna be like, "Oh, are you playing Apex? Shouldn't you be perfecting your craft?" You know.
I should be out living life. I mean, if Apex is your thing.
Yeah.
But like, I see why you're doing it because you're streaming it and you're growing an audience in many directions.
No, I'm just addicted.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm addicted to the game. Yeah. I have a pretty addictive personality. I get addicted to things easily, like very easy.
Yeah.
Like, it's actually crazy. Like that's why I don't try new things because I know if I try new things, here's the thing. I have like trust issues, right? So it's hard for me to get into something. But once I get into it, I get addicted because it took me Apex like maybe like 3 years to get into Apex. I played before. I'm like, Warzone's better. Warzone's better. And I got into Apex, and now I'm addicted to Apex. Not like Apex over Warzone. So it's always like it's just how I work. It's weird.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to do a lot of things at once. Like put the same effort into something, you know.
Got you with that.
Don't start
hotline.
vaping? No, never. What hotline is that?
With the
Let me search that up. Addiction to what? Gambling?
helps available.
Addiction of Apex.
Hi, my name's Don, and I'm addicted to Apex. Get a straight line, straight to my veins.
Fuck. Do you vape, Wix?
Hold on.
Like vape though, like just like no THC vape, just like vape.
Yeah, this isn't a THC vape. This is a banana ice. I don't know.
You seen Andrew Tate's take on it?
No, I haven't.
I don't think you want to hear it though.
I don't give a damn. I like Andrew Tate though. Like, he makes some valid points.
He's a good marketer, man.
He's a good marketer, but he also makes points that hit with people. Like,
But right now, I think they're talking about him and his pyramid. Like, his pyramid scheme, basically, what they're trying to say.
eh. You also see he beats women. What? I didn't see that.
You can Google it. I'm not gonna pull it up, but you can definitely Google it.
Nah, you don't. Nah, I'm not in the. I'm not in that mood right
Ian. Should we do that 10 or not? No, I'm gonna wait for 9:30 here. If you don't get positions by 9:30, I'm calling it a day. I don't think I'll trade till 10 though today though, cause news. Then you gotta wait till 10:30, and 10:30 is basically 11, and then 11 like line closes. You don't have the volume anymore, so yeah, probably not. Plus we got 2 trades today. We got 2 wins today. Well, so I'm gonna say 2 wins today. Yeah. Yeah, I also seen that too, Jin. I don't know. I don't want to speak on it. Not my business. Thank you for everything you're doing. Nice 2 wins today. Looking forward to start trading that 100 in year 30 someday. Yes, maybe next year. Oh, you better pray that we take a lot of losses on GJ. So every time we take a GJ trade, you guys better pray that it's a loss, because if it's above 70 this year, then looks like we're gonna keep it next year. Yo, isn't like every FX trader out there from Fort Lauderdale?
No, everyone's from Miami Doral.
Where's that? I spell that.
Doral, it's Doral. I think that's like almost an hour south of me.
Well, what's the most expensive area in Miami?
Fisher Island.
Fisher Island. Honestly, Miami looks like fucking every resort. It's a vacation on its own.
There's no cars allowed on that island. You have to take a ferry, and there's only golf carts on that island.
Golf cart go around, right? Is this a resort or what?
No, that's like a very expensive place. Like you can't.
You live there?
No,
What,
that's
you could
like
live there?
Celebrities, or like people like big people from around the world. When they buy property, that's where they try to go.
Oh, nice. No cars for what? I guess like the.
Hold up.
I guess no streets.
No, I mean like there's a few private houses, and there's mostly like these condos, but it's very, very exclusive.
Yeah, imagine moving in there.
Nah, it's not my vibe. There's a lot of dope places all over Florida. Like, you can find a better place.
A lot of Miami scammer traders. Brother.
Hey.
Don't FX should move Miami for some reason, or people living in Miami are being influenced somehow to trade. I think a lot of traders just live there. Yeah, I think it's influenced there a lot. But you could move there for taxes, right?
Taxes is one thing, but you don't hear about, like, I didn't get into trading because I saw somebody in Miami, or I met somebody in Miami. It's just, that was completely separate. It was just, I don't know. I mean, I just think that the trading lifestyle can support a Miami lifestyle. The Porsche Tower. You don't live in the Porsche Tower. That's in Sunny Isles. Would I consider moving anywhere else? I don't know. I'm not at the moment. I'm good. Yeah, I don't know about this fake out coming here.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get it, to be honest. Unless 8 minutes here we have volume, I doubt it.
might be the hour candle, the next hour candle.
Imagine your shots on stream one day.
Is that?
No. I can't drink, chat. I'm not a drinker, honestly.
Oh, shots on that. We had a stream like that, an evening stream.
Yeah, but it was like
years ago.
I don't think we were trading. I think we were just chilling, right? We're doing like random videos on stream. I think you and the other guy did it.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I remember. Was it you? You and was it just you guys?
Yep. Yeah. It was me, him, and you.
That's it?
We're just chilling. No, but there was like, no, it was like you streamed, I think.
I remember we were watching Nelk Boys there. We watched that episode of the boat
That was a couple of years ago. Legit,
Yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
Damn. I know Don for a few years. Never met him in person.
Yeah, we're supposed to meet.
Battle of the Lights. Don's wall light or Wix's PC. Don's wall light for sure.
My seahorse?
That nano. Yeah. Did you connect it to your like,
No. I'm lazy. I haven't done it yet.
Hey, Wales in the house. Good luck in the World Cup. They took out my Ukraine.
I'll look at a 1 hour buy above 720. It's a range 1 for me still, but technically you have a support form here, I guess, if this candle closes bullish. So it's not really, it could be a range 2 breakout. But I don't think I'll take buys. If I take another position, it'll be sells. And it'll be sells below 1718. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna call it a day if it closes above here.
Alrighty then.
Raceful. I got on train because I went to Miami. I ran into a DR scammer. Oh, brother. Okay. Nice. I don't know what to tell you. Nah, I don't got social media. I don't know who anyone is. I read that in the most genuine way. Then I'm like, all right, I see where this is going. Chat, should we start buying names again in chat? Not for that reason, mod god, but in general, just in general, like you know, to keep the stuff up. Like just I don't want to like just you start anything too. Like sometimes like reading a chat comment and then they just stir it up. Got faked out for real. My guy's funny though.
Word, you're walking a thin line. Walking that fine line. DMG.
Yes, sir. Sorry, chat. Little tough stream today, but I mean, not a bad day though. Not a bad day. It's 9:30 here, and it looks like let's wait the next 3 minutes here. But it looks like we may not get a trade here. Another trade at least.
I don't know.
Do you guys even want another trade? Like, aren't you guys tired? When you guys decide to be a full-time trader, Don? 2019 October. Oh. Remember when came out? This is my best training ever. Hey, I'm glad. Me too. I'm joking. So that's the question earlier. What was your big have you had trades where it hit full TP on stream? Yes, but you gotta go back and look at them. I'm not really sure. This trade basically hit full TP. This trade kind of hit full TP.
If you look at the trading journal, you can pretty much tell which one's right.
Time for some breakfast. I know, I got breakfast earlier and okay, I got breakfast earlier and I can't even eat it. Looking at drop out of school 18, finish high school at least, but don't just drop out to just drop out, man. Make sure you have like a backup job or something, a backup plan. and then use those funds to maybe fund your trading, but don't go full time because you don't know if it seems sustainable yet, right? Make sure it's sustainable first, and then you can quit your job. You don't want to quit and hope that trade makes you out the hood, because if it doesn't, then you're kind of taking a step back, right?
I mean, you think it won't affect you right now, but as soon as you open that trade and you're losing money that you can't get back tomorrow with a salary, then it's going to affect you. It's going to affect your positions, your risk management. So you don't need that extra stress.
Yeah, it's just important.
Like, this is supposed to be like stress-free, so you can make clear, decisions. And if you're emotional, or if you're like being affected by outside things, they can affect you. It statistically does affect your decision-making process. So you really want to have a clear head so you can make, the best decisions possible at this time. What happens later is, but this is money, hard-earned money, So you want to make the most clearest decisions here.
What, 11 seconds? Call it a day? Yeah, chat. It looks like we're not getting out of position today. But what can we do?
No closure.
Mukbang stream? One day. Alright, chat. Good day off train today, and I just rewind the stream, saw people sweating on that trade. Yeah. Playing buckets today. Tough. Anyways, chat. I think that's it for me today, man. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my therapy Apex here, play Apex Legends. I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's stream. Right.
Yes,
You guys will all be back probably, right? For sure. Alright. Chat. That's it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for being here today.
Peace.
Keeping it real as always. Love you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow morning. I'll catch you guys in Asian tonight too, probably. I think tonight is gonna be interesting because you have news here in about 30 minutes, and they kind of should be interested on gold energy tonight. So let's see. All right, I might send analysis too tonight. I'll let you guys know. But other than that, peace out. Have a good one. Don't mess up your day, and don't let the vibes mess up your day. All right, peace out.
See you tomorrow.
Peace out, Wix. There. What can I play?
New Richard on my wrist, got $1 million on my bank. New Patek on my wrist, white diamond and them shits in pink. Got coin to go get a mink. New finger ring sit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch baggity on my green, and she said little Uzi so great. I'm one of the greatest to ever do it. Lucifer. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, going down. Every
Come on, that's got some hearts up on my card. I was in the Lamb Cardi, he was in the Rari. I'ma keep on flexing, you don't like me, then I'm sorry. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, you too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, yeah, going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, you too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, yeah, going down. Okay, big guap chasing, big not having, my money stacking. This shit was trafficking. This for all my niggas, the ones that be trafficking. All my diamonds African. I might go and mad the best. I already had that bitch, went and got a battle bitch. Persian rock a Latin shit, nice for a hoe like a Latin bitch. I can serve you, hey, let me say one time, hey. Turn around, baby girl, let me serve you. Yeah, they say that you wet like Squirtle. Yeah, walk around pitching too, got the
Wait, why are you laughing?
and you think you in love, don't
I hear the song as well.
Man, I think that I'm done, gotta swerve you. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, do too much.
Song still at the concert. I remember they played that.
Where you from? Where you from? Throw it out. Going down.
And the mosh pit.
Going down. Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, do too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts. Yeah, going down.
Peace out, yo. Yo, hit you on Discord.
Yes, yes.
These niggas so bad, it's exhausting. These niggas so bad, it's exhausting. I swear I'm a stunner like Steve Austin. I swear I'm a stunner like Steve Austin.
Peace out, Green. Appreciate it.
Do too much.
Thanks for showing up.
Where you from? Throw it up. Going nuts. Going down, down, down.